Ah, finally, a sunny day. I feel pumped up to chill everybody. What happened? You don't seem to have the same energy.
I don't know. I'm feeling a bit sick.
I guess you've been chilling a lot these days.
I don't think that's the only thing.
Hey, do you smell something?
I'm sorry. I guess it's me.
लगता है तेरा पेट खराब है.
Nah, man. I guess I'm becoming a little rusty.
I guess you should call the doctor.
He's on his way.
Hey, so what did he say?
The pollution, dirt, and the environmental impurities have caused my non-copper coils to corrode and hence the gas leak.
So how long do you need to wait to get the replacement done?
I'm guessing at least 2-3 days.
Whoa! So is this process going to cost your master a lot?
It's gonna cost at least 6,000 rupees.
And you won't be cooling your master for so many days. And that too during peak summer, right?
I'm afraid so.
Well, no worries. You'll be hale and hearty in days with new replacements.
I guess so. Sadly, this cycle of issues and replacements will continue every 2-3 years.
Huh? That means your master would be spending 6,000 rupees on replacement and additionally 500 rupees per visit as regular maintenance charges.
Yes, about 10,000 only for repair and maintenance every 2-3 years. How come you haven't faced such issue ever?
Well, it's my 100% copper coil that I've got to thank.